If you want to scan QR codes on POCO F8 Pro or POCO F8 Ultra, you can, for example, open the camera. In the camera, more precisely in the photo mode, you can simply aim at the QR code, and then over here on the left side you should be able to find this QR code icon. So then we can press agree, and you should be able to open the detected link in the browser, or you can copy the link if needed. Besides that, I believe if it's not working for you, if you cannot scan the QR code like that, you might need to go to camera settings, and then in AI recommendations you should be able to check if scan QR codes is on. You can also find the scanner in control center or quick settings. I believe it is added by default over here, so we can tap in here and we can try to scan the QR code like this with this app. However, to be honest, in my case, this option never works for me for some reason. I'm not sure why, it just doesn't work at all. You can also tap on this icon over here at the bottom in order to try to scan a QR code from a photo. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.